Hi, my name is Katharine and today I'm going to show you how to make this handprint paper wreath. So you'll need some A4 red card, green card, and if you like a second coloured green. You'll need some glue, a pair of scissors, a pencil, something to tie your wreath up with at the end, and a hole punch. So the first thing you're going to do is draw around your hand on the green card. So in this video, I'm going to use a black marker to draw around my hand, but this is just so it's easier for you to see what I'm doing. At home, I would use a pencil. You need to repeat this until you have between 8 and 10 green handprints drawn. And next, you need to cut out all of the handprints. Next, you need to layer your green handprints over each other so that they create a ring shape. When you're happy with how they look, stick them down to create your wreath. Draw 2 handprints onto the red card and cut them out. Stick these onto the bottom, or if you like, the top of your wreath to create the look of a ribbon. Draw and cut circles out of the scrap red paper to create berries. Then stick these onto your wreath. You might need some help with this step, but you need to punch a hole in the handprint at the top of the wreath. And then you're going to tie a loop of string or wool through this hole, and then you can hang it up. Thank you very much for watching, and I hope you enjoyed making your handprint paper wreath.